Hello everyone, this is Mr. Silman. معكم بالسيد Silman. Welcome to our English lesson for beginners. Today we have a beautiful picture to learn some new words. This picture helps us to learn some new words. Look, what do you see here? Look at the picture. What do you see? Yes, good. A girl. A girl. A schoolgirl. A schoolgirl. This is a girl. A schoolgirl. She is a girl. She is a schoolgirl. She is a pupil. The girl is in class. This is a class. This is a classroom. Can you say classroom? Yes, this is a classroom. The girl is in the classroom. Classroom. القسم. The girl is sitting on the chair. The girl is sitting on the chair. This is a table. Or this is a desk. Can you say desk? Yes, good. This is a desk. Or this is a table. يعني هذه طاولة ونقدر نقول هذا مكتب. The girl is in classroom. This is a board. This is a board. Board. This is a book. A book. What's this? What's this? Yes, good. This is a book. It's a book. Learn. 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 يتعلم. Learn. At school. في مدرسة. At school. Learn at school. تعلم في المدرسة. Pen. It's a pen. Another pen. And here another pen. Yellow pen. Red pen. Green pen. Pens. Pens. أقلام. Pens. How many pens? 1, 2, 3. 3 pens. 1 pen. 1 pen. A pen. A pen. This is a pen. It's a pen. Pens. Pens. 3 pens. 1, 2, 3. 3 pens. Learn new words. تعلم كلمات جديدة. I love to learn new things. أنا أحب أن أتعلم أشياء جديدة. Look at here. The girl says, I love to learn new things. The girl says, she says, I love to learn new things. She loves to learn new things. هي تحب تعلم أشياء. The girl, she. If we say, she loves to learn new things. Learn with my teacher. learn with my teacher. أتعلم مع معلمي. Teacher, teacher. Can you say teacher? Yes, good. Teacher, معلم. My teacher, معلمي. Learn with my teacher. At school. أتعلم مع أستاذي مع معلمي في المدرسة. At school. Let's learn together. Let's say the words one more time. Repeat after me. A girl, a desk, a book, school, teacher, classroom. Great job, everyone. Try to practice these words, and we will see you next lesson. Goodbye. Repeat after me. A school, a school, a classroom, a classroom, a schoolgirl, a schoolgirl, a desk, a desk, a board, a board, a teacher, a teacher, a book, a book.